In order to achieve climate neutrality by 2050, the EU has introduced the Fit for 55 package, which raises emission reduction targets to 40% by 2030. Gas leaks, which play a major role in these emissions, yet are often overlooked, pose both an environmental and an economic threat. Undetected leaks jeopardize efforts to meet ambitious emission reduction targets. CRYSOUND excels in the detection of pressurized gas and vacuum leaks, providing accurate data for rapid, targeted action. This efficiency is directly in line with Fit for 55's mission to tighten the grip on emissions. With LEAKChecker, leak detection goes even further, with the ability to locate them with unrivaled precision. The LEAKReporter software allows you to create detailed reports to keep track of every penny you save. CRYSOUND, a powerful tool, a cleaner future. Join us in building a greener tomorrow.